Hey guys, so today I am chilling. I just took a shower, did my skin routine, and today was crafting and of course blog. So there's a new blog up, so if you haven't seen the calendar on my Instagram, it is on my blog as well for a journal mood, which is going to be for December. It is from December 25th to the 31st, and the theme is release. So the calendar for the word of the day is there. This is the easiest challenge for you to do because it's only 7 days. So I think you can commit to 7 days. So again, go check it out, and I will give more discussion as we get closer and during the time as well to kind of motivate you. Now, today is book to movie adaptation. I love doing this, especially if it's a classic and the two books are classics. So the two choices I have, I don't think I'm going to be able to do both of them today because the movies are almost 2 hours each. I think the one I selected is going to be 1 hour and 48 minutes. I don't think I'm doing two of them tonight. But the two options I had that I was thinking of and I really thought about was of Mice and Men. This is John Steinbeck. Love, 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 love this. I think I read this either February or March. I reviewed this. Absolutely a great classic. Short, pack a punch, very meaningful. But I think it's a very deep book. And the movie is also another 1 hour and 15 minutes. And I thought about it and I said, this is not the mood for that. So I'm not going to do this one. It is going to be done, but not right now. The next option I had was a fun one that I found that they did a movie in. They have several movies, but the latest one was from 1998. And this is Cousin Beth. And when I thought about who is in it, I said, oh, absolutely want to watch this. Because you guys know, this is a classic. This is a classic of, I always say, true bitches. So that's how I classified women in this. But the main bad Cousin Beth was the issue in this, and I love this story. I thought it was entertaining. This was a subscriber pick. Again, subscriber was picking some good books for me, and I said, I want to watch the movie version of this, and it better do me justice because they were ruthless in this, and I love, love, love this book. So that's what we're going to be watching, and then I'll give you my opinion on the book versus the movie kind of situation. And if was it worth it, we'll see. But it's a classic, and it is, I'm here for the costume, I'm here for the shenanigans, I'm here for it. So we're going to be watching Cousin Beth. And while I do it, I have two me makes. So I got my cheesecake that I made yesterday that now I can actually eat because the texture is just perfect. And so good, guys. So good. And I can eat it and not feel guilty because, again, sugar substitute, low in fat, and the crust is almond flour. So if you never tried it, definitely should try it. I had several people try this and they were a little bit surprised that it was sugar substitution. So good. So good. And then I have my sorrel, which I've been loving. And that's what I'm going to be indulging while we watch Cousin Beth. Alright guys, so here we go. Guys, look at all those vintage sewing things. Oh, look at those vintage stuff. Yes, there we go. Start by saying Cousin Beth and Jessica Ledge or Land, whatever her name is. I did that. Let me put the name here because I think I'm saying it wrong. Jessica Lange. I did not see Cousin Bet as her. First of all, guys, I saw the the actress on the cover, but then now that I'm watching it, I didn't see Jessica Lange as Bet, Cousin Bet, only because they really made her look ugly as hell in the book. And Jessica Lange don't give me ugly in this movie. She giving me fabulous already, just by her facial expression. So we'll keep on watching. Oh yes, gotta love when these two meet up.
And what do you suggest? Are you the costumier or not?
Ugh, love it.
I bet he's just an awful old bank clerk with a goatee. That's where you're wrong, mademoiselle. So you really have a sweetheart? Just as surely as you do not.
That had to be one of the worst book to movie adaptation. Like, it started off good. I still can't. Younger House playing a role in this is just kind of funny. Jessica Lange, yeah, I'm gonna keep butchering her name, played her part. However, they changed half the book. Like, half the book is changed. I think they wanted it to be so dramatic that they thought that was the best route, but it took away the ending. I don't even know what that is, because y'all know this book had like a religious twist, but it also the main character, the rich dude, his role was completely changed. This was not good. They fail at this. Now I see why this movie wasn't like popular. Like, I didn't really see it, and because yeah, it's a no. It's a no. It's a no. Yo, did I just waste my time? Yeah, I did. And don't forget, guys, don't get this revision. Get the penguin revision. This revision is off. This will kill your eyes. The font is too small. Read the book. Absolutely read the book. The book was so much better than the movie. Absolutely better than the movie. Had they kept the movie, because I think the characters that for the roles are good, but had they kept to the book, I would have enjoyed more. I just felt like, for one, Cousin Bet, she was clever, but they can't. How they had her as a villain in the movie is not how she really is in the book. In the book, you felt more sorry for her in the beginning, versus like in the movie, she just comes off as a lunatic from the get-go, which is not quite accurate in the book. So, with that said, the movie was a womp womp. And I was loving it in the beginning, and then it took a turn where I'm like, that is not in the book. I had a whole bunch of that is not in the book moment. Why they do that to the book? Oh, that's such a bummer. Anyway, so we're gonna end this here. This is my rainy day. It is pouring outside, so it's such a chilly day. It's still kind of early, so I am going to edit this video and do probably some sewing. I need to get back to finishing up some projects. Yeah, so see you guys in the next one. Yeah, bye.